Let's walk into the chocolate manufacturing factory and explore the secrets of this sweet journey. The essence of chocolate comes from its main ingredient, the cocoa bean. The quality of the cocoa beans directly determines the taste of the chocolate. Therefore, every cocoa bean selected here comes from the fertile environment of West Africa. First, 30 tons of cocoa beans are poured into the machine, where they are screened through iron plates with standard-sized holes to ensure that every bean meets the standard. Next, the cocoa beans move on to the shelling process. This is a crucial step in chocolate production. The rollers inside the machine press the cocoa beans, easily removing the outer shell and leaving behind the precious cocoa nibs. Then, the cocoa nibs are sent into the oven, where they are roasted for an hour. Afterward, they enter a food processing machine, transforming into a rich chocolate liquid. This liquid is then transported to another factory for further processing. Here, the chocolate liquid is mixed with cocoa butter, vegetable oil, sugar, dairy products, and other ingredients, and processed into a rough chocolate powder using special equipment. These powders are then stirred in a mixer for 7 to 8 hours of stirring and heating, gradually turning into a glossy black liquid. The large chocolate filling is carefully prepared using chocolate, sugar, and butter. After being mixed by the machine, it forms a sticky filling. This filling is then sent into a cutting machine, where it is cut into uniformly shaped pieces. Next, the chocolate enters the enrobing machine, where it is evenly coated with a layer of enticing chocolate liquid. Through a waterfall of chocolate rain, to ensure better taste, the chocolate undergoes a tempering process, cooling from 45 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, then reheating to 30 degrees Celsius, releasing its delicious flavors. Then, a layer of white chocolate is added to enrich the chocolate's texture, to make each piece of chocolate uniquely shaped. The workers use manual molds to form different shapes, in addition to white chocolate and shapes of chocolate. Finally, these exquisite chocolates are quickly placed into gift boxes by robotic arms, forming the chocolate gift boxes we commonly see.